student.
Thank you to my beloved former kindergarten teacher, Teacher Josie Montilla, for inviting me to deliver my speech in front of our dear, brilliant graduates. It's my honor and pleasure today to stand and to deliver my speech to the kindergarten students, families, faculty members, and the Board of Trustees on the 11th moving up ceremony of St. Bernadette College of Alabang, kindergartens for school year 2023 to 2024. I didn't experience the face-to-face graduation when I was in your level. I am a pandemic kindergarten student and a pandemic kindergarten graduate. It's been 4 years when pandemic hit the whole world, and there was no other option but to embrace the online world, the new setup of learning. But I can say, regardless if it is face-to-face or online learning, if you have very dedicated and brilliant teachers and a supportive and loving parents and guardians throughout your journey, you still make it to the best. Pandemic was very tragic in my family. February 2021, I lost my dad at very young age. Despite of this fate, and I may not understand why, but I am having faith and believing this verse. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord. Plans to prosper you and not to harm you. Plans to give you a hope and a future. Jeremiah 29, verse 11. My dad's dream was to send me to St. Bernadette. So in memory of my dad's dream, my mom enrolled me at St. Bernadette, knowing that it is one of the best schools. I salute my mom for nurturing and supporting my education independently, for the unmeasurable courage, patience, and the overflowing love and guidance. In return to all the sacrifices and devotion towards to the person talking in front of you, I am a consistent with high honor student, an obedient, respectful, and loving son. Teacher Josie, Teacher Baby, Teacher Kay, Teacher Ryan, and Teacher were the best foundation of who I am today in school. You just need to listen, obey, and enjoy what they are teaching, and you will definitely grow smarter, brighter, and obedient person. Graduates, may I ask every one of you to hug, kiss, and thank your parents, guardians, for the unconditional love and support to the entire journey of your beautiful life.
Where mommy? Where's mommy? Papayag naman. Oh, dali, dali.
Our parents' prayer and desire for us, my dear Bernadicians, is to be the best version of them. Every day, make memories and enjoy being with your mommy, mama, nanay, daddy,
Uyak ako sa likod. Naiyak kami.
Thank you so much, John Leonard, for your inspiring message. It's wonderful